Hey, what's up and what's good? So quick breakdown on SAUSD trade for today. Today is the 10th, I think, 10th of January 2025. So let's go. So on the weekly time frame, we are heading to this we are bullish on the weekly time frame. We came into this area here, swept liquidity, and we kept sweeping liquidity. What does this mean? Means that these lows are protected lows and they are strong lows, so we are buying. So we'll go down to the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, price came into this imbalance right here, closed above, broke structure, or closed above this area here. So what will be our next anticipation? So we are bullish. We'll be anticipating for price to retest and then continue heading to the upside. So retest where we have this area here, this other block here. After price closed above this area here. So remember, price moved from from external range liquidity to internal range liquidity, and then internal range liquidity to external range liquidity, and vice versa. So for this particular trade, price took out external range liquidity and then came into internal range liquidity, and so we'll be heading to external range liquidity. So what are we going to be looking for? We're looking for our trade within the internal range liquidity. So down to the 4-hour time frame, and then what are we going to be doing with the 4-hour time frame? We're going to be looking for our range. Let me delete this. Here. So price swept this liquidity here. Our liquidity, zero range liquidity that I call it. So we have this here. Let's delete this. Let's keep moving it. So this low is protected. This displaced. After this, we have this protected low that closed above this area here. If you want to understand more about this, follow my friend Amatoji on YouTube. His most recent video explaining this concept very intensively. Wow, this is just 2 minutes. I don't think I'm going to talk very much because this is just a trade breakdown from the higher time frame down to the lower time frame. And then right here, price closed here. So we had this area. They call this seed. Is this seed XC? Changing instead of delivery, this other block here, and it's a strong area of interest. Why? Because we have this sweep. So this is our range, and the reason why this is our range is because of this sweep, and then this price closed above this chain instead of delivery. So from here we went down to the 15 minutes time frame to look for our entry within that area of interest. So as you can see, we've been breaking structure to the upside. We have this break of structure here. And then we have this area of interest here. And so another thing I'm going to be doing is ICT is basically advanced subtotal resistance. So we have to look for a zone that we anticipate for price to get into and for it to sell. So price came into this area, closed above. So we'll just keep looking for those areas that we anticipate for price to get to. So we have this area too. This is a breaker. So let's do this. So we have this breaker here that we're anticipating for price to get to. And if we extend this 1 touch, 2 touch, 3 touch, multiple touches here, but we just call this 4, 5, 6, and then our anticipation is for it to come again around that area there. But mind you, we are using ICT method. We're not doing support and resistance here. No, main doing support and resistance. And so price got to this area and close. So I want to buy. So before I buy, I'm seeing this area here. I'm waiting for price to close above because price can still dump to this area here. I don't think so, but price can dump to this area before we see that sell, because this is a protected low here. There's no that load here that is protected, so these are protected loads. So we are expecting for price to close above this area, and then after price closes above that area, we're going to look for an entry to the upside. or we're going to wait for a change in state of the for a market structure shift in the lower time frame. So let's go down to the 1 minute time frame, because from the 4 hours time frame to the 15 minutes time frame to the 1 minute time frame as well. So here in the 15 minute time frame, after price closed above this area, let's change this color. Let's go 3. So yeah, after price closed above this area, there's something we will do. You know, this protected low concept, we want to see this happen again. And so if we don't see this, if we don't see this happening, what we're going to do is that we're going to look for entries below and liquidity and structure entries. Yeah, that's what I'm trying to say. Liquidity and structure entries. Entry. Yeah, not entries, entry. So now price closed above this area, breaking structure in the 1 minute time frame, broke structure here. So let's call this market MSS. Yeah, market structure shift. And so next thing we're going to do is we're going to draw our Fibonacci retracement tool. Just place this Fibonacci retracement tool here, and then we're going to be looking for a trade below the 50% retracement. 50%, below the 50%. So what happened here? So we have this area of interest here, around this area here. But then this is the low that I'm going to put my stop loss. So I want my entry to be as close as possible to this stop loss here, because I can't put my trade in on my stop losses here. And I want to buy at a discounted price, a very discounted price. And so my entry, I have 2 entries. I think I've explained it before. I have the Quasimodo entry and I have the liquidity and structure entry. And so here there is no Quasimodo entry forming here. No Quasimodo entry formed here. So what am I going to be doing? I'm going to be using liquidity and structure for my entry. So we have this structure here, the 1 minute time frame that broke. I have this break here. I think this looks like a Quasimodo here. This looks like Quasimodo entry. So my stop loss will be way down here. Way down here. Why is your legs way down there? So it's going to be way down here, and then I think I'll just enter from this area. Yeah, I forgot. I thought I was back. This is a breakdown. So this is what I did here actually. I entered from here. Stop loss was way down here. Normally I'm supposed to use the liquidity and structure, because this liquidity here, but this liquidity is supposed to be the entry. But I entered the stop loss here. The target 1:10. So this is what is currently happening right now. So after this happened, price came, swept liquidity. Or if you're looking to re-enter after a sweep of liquidity, we are going to anticipate something like this. Price swept liquidity, looking for something like this. So say this is where price swept liquidity here, and price swept liquidity at an area of interest, one area that I'm anticipating for price to get to. Yeah, so what you're going to do is simple. So what you're going to do is simple. You wait for price to change. That price creates an imbalance, another block, or a breaker, or an IFVG. So after price goes above those areas, you look for entry in those areas. If it goes above the IFVG, you look for price after price retraces. So break and retest. So what I'm going to be anticipating for price to break and retest what zone? This breaker here. Yeah, so let's delete this and this as well. Why are we anticipating? Price came into our area of interest, swept liquidity here. So this is going to be the best trade. So price, after price swept, we had this breaker here. This is a breaker. Price closed above. So our entry will be here. Stop loss way down here. So target will not be like, we just target where the previous, we put our previous TP. So this is going to be a -to 8. Stop loss in. Like that. So what am I anticipating next? Let's delete everything off the chart. Okay, let's do it. Okay, let's go down to the power timeframe. Yo, this guy is buying massively. Whoosh. We have price is currently at this area of interest right now. So if price closes above this area, I'm looking for a retest to keep longing and to keep pushing price to the upside. That's one. And I'll be anticipating for price to still get through again. Anyways, I'm going to update you guys when finally sets. Yeah, it's because right now gold is not very clear because of this area gold got to, and secondly because of the way this candle is pushing too quickly to that area. But anyways, this is my protected low. So this is my structure. This is still, I'm trading within this range here, in this area here, to anywhere this price decides to start coming down from. That's going to be my range. So from here to anywhere price start coming down from. So price gets down to this area here. So basically what I will do is I'm going to look for entry within this area here to buy. So but if price body close below this low here, if price body close out below this low here, I'll be looking for sales. Everybody closes below. Sell to where, probably to any liquidity below this area. Let's see, probably to this somewhere. Not really well. Anyways, that's that for this. Yeah, let's go down to 15 minutes time and let's look for that trade. So this is the sweep. Aside this trade, this sweep here, there's no other sweep. Let me delete this. So if you're looking for an entry, you have this liquidity. So you wait for something like this to happen. Remember what I told you, wait for something like this to happen. What I said earlier about that sweep and then looking for an entry. So you either wait for this to happen or wait for price to get into this area. Well, I think no, you wait for this to happen. Then you can wait for price to go long. So this is the 15 minutes time. When price gets to this area of interest, you look for this. Look for this. Yeah. So this is the trade. So anyway, I'm going to update you guys later on and how this trade plays out. So if it goes well or not. Go to update us. Let's do this here. But I'm going to be using the 1 minute confirmation entry for this particular trade. So I'm not just going to go all in because you know. So this is 1:6. Let's do this. So let's anticipate my next video. When this plays out, I will do a new make a new video immediately. So thanks for watching, thanks for sticking until the end. As usual, please like, subscribe, comment, and turn on. Is it turn on necessary? Or click. Okay, turn on your notification bell in case I am making another video that you will be the first to know. Anyways, thank you. I still remain your boy. I am K.